friends, I am Jane Neighbor, the Culinary Director for Tastefully Simple, out here on the prairie in beautiful Alexandria, Minnesota. And I happen to be standing in an apple orchard today called Country Blossom Farms with my new friend, Troy Heald. Troy is the orchard master.
Orchardist. We'll just go with that.
Orchardist.
Master might be a little strong.
He's the happy farmer.
There you go.
Yeah. So, Troy, you and your wife, Tracy, run this place?
Yes. Yeah, we own and operate Country Blossom Farm, yes.
And you may have an orchard near you as well. So today we thought we'd come out here, talk smart about apples for a little bit, and you can visit your local apple orchard, or if you're in the area, come visit us out here at Country Blossom Farms.
Absolutely.
So, Troy, I'm holding this very beautiful and large,
Yes.
is it Honeycrisp?
That is a Honeycrisp,
Honeycrisp
yes. We just
apple.
picked it right before this happened.
I know, freshly picked. So it turns out Honeycrisp is kind of a trendy apple, and because apples have trends, like fashion and food, right?
Yes, they do. Honeycrisp was released, if you can believe it, in 1990. It was developed at the University of Minnesota, who is also responsible for many other wonderful apples out there that we know. Sweet Tango.
That's kind of a newer one, newer than Honeycrisp, right?
It is newer than Honeycrisp. I wouldn't call it new at this point. The newest would be First Kiss, which this year was kind of the first year you could actually get them in stores and or your favorite orchard.
First Kiss. That's kind of a sexy name for an apple.
It sure is, but they are a wonderful apple. It is a cross of Honeycrisp and an apple out of Arkansas that was apparently never released. So the unique thing about that is it ripens early. We pick them before any other apple, and they are very crisp, juicy, very flavorful, but a little more tart than, say, a Honeycrisp.
So would you eat it out of hand, or is it more of a baking apple?
I would eat it out of hand, but we haven't had enough production to really bake with them yet, but I'm sure we'll do a wonderful job at that as well.
So First Kiss is not only because it's a cute name, but because it's early in the season.
It is early in the season, but the other unique thing about that apple is it's also distributed nationally out of Washington. It has a different name called Rave. Same apple,
different
national
name.
Distribution. You only find it as First Kiss in Minnesota at your orchards.
Okay, so it's all about branding, even in the apple world.
It is, it is.
So, all right, so we're standing in an apple orchard. I can also buy apples at my local grocery store. So tell me the difference about buying an apple at an orchard versus a store.
Well, you know, at the orchard you're going to get something that's unique, something you won't find in a store. You know, the U of M has developed many other apples aside from the Honeycrisp, Sweet Tango, Zestar, Cortland, Sweet 16. There's just a whole bunch of variety of apples out there that, that's Minnesota based. All across the U.S. there's going to be different varieties that you're going to find at your local orchard that you're not going to find in the store. Reason for that is a lot of them do not store and pack well, which is,
so they have special ones for the grocery stores that hold up.
Exactly, something that they can keep throughout the year and ship and distribute and store. In the orchard, you're going to find something that is going to be wonderful. It's going to be different, unique, and you're going to be able to enjoy it in the fall.
So for a store, do they pick them before they're ripe and they ripen off the tree?
They do ripen a bit off the tree, but typically if you're going to store them for a long period of time, you will pick them a little underripe. We try to pick everything at a peak of ripeness and flavor. So
Crisp,
that's what you're going to find in your orchard. You're going to find something that's juicy, delicious, and ready to go.
And unique to your area, really.
True.
Right. So are you telling me that when I go to the grocery store, like, you only harvest apples once a year?
Correct.
So that apple I just bought at the store might have been picked a year ago?
This time of year you're going to have some from last year, and you might have some from this fall. Usually they'll put a sign up that says new crop. We also get apples shipped in from the southern hemisphere, which those ripen in our spring, their fall.
Take a long boat ride.
True. So they get to travel a lot, and that's the other thing. A lot of the apples aren't meant to be stored and traveled and take the abuse. They're not meant for that.
So I can get something way different at an orchard. Well, that's
Absolutely.
Pretty cool stuff. And there's usually fun things to do at an orchard, as there are many fun things to do at Country Blossom Farms.
Absolutely.
And so I want to take a minute now to tell you about the Tastefully Simple bundle that we're offering that's all about apples.
Absolutely.
It has 6 of our favorite products in it. You get a whole big recipe sheet filled with recipes that all require apples. Everything from cookies and cakes to bacon-wrapped chops with an applesauce on the top.
Yum.
So it's called the Apple Bundle. I'm going to look at my notes here so I can get specific. The item number is 101231. You can go to our website at tastefullysimple.com to order that. And if you use our promo code that looks like Applefest, all one word, Applefest together, you'll get 15% off any order of $60 or more. So check out our Apple Bundle, 6 wonderful products, including our delightful creamy caramel sauce.
Oh, yum.
Which makes the best caramel apple sundae ever. I did. I brought you a jar.
Oh, fantastic.
So we're
I
going to
can't
let
wait
Troy
that
try
out.
it. Yeah. So check it out on our website, tastefullysimple.com. The special offer code is Applefest. You'll get 15% off a $60 order. You might choose our apple bundle or anything you want. So you need to act fast. This offer will go until the end of the day on Sunday, September 30th. So all weekend long, you can shop for apples at your local orchard, and you can check out Tastefully Simple's special apple offer. So Troy, thanks a bunch.
Thank you for coming out. Appreciate it.
Go visit your local apple orchards.
Thank you.
Bye.